we said rhythm stuff, we're just going to at first cover the strings so they're muted. And for my right hand, I'm just going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When I can do that real smooth, I'll put the chords in. The chords, the first chord progression is G, C add 9, E minor 7, D. It's going to be like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Right, just straight. And then G. Just do that, it's nice and smooth. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once you get smooth at that, then we add the rhythm change, where we said we're going to leave out the and after 2. So that's just going to be 1 and 2, miss 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and, right? So I just come up, look. Come up and miss. I don't do anything faster or slower or skipping, just smooth. 1 and 2, up 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, up 3 and 4 and. So if I go. It sounds like I left a space, and I did leave a space, but I didn't stop my hand, I just missed. Rhythm number 3 is, if you can do 2, 3 is just the and of 3 instead of the and of 2. Now that's this, watch here. 2 and 3, miss, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, da, da. So that's the rhythm. Chord progression B this time. E minor, C add 9, G, D. So B, 2, 3, and. Right? Of course, I'd like you to play it slow. Down, up, down, miss. Right? See my right hand? It just never stops doing that. If you feel a weird, like, bump in the road, that means you did some strange skipping thing. Just keep this. Now, a couple of times when you were doing it, I noticed instead of missing, you hit the strings. That's okay. It's better to hit the strings smooth in rhythm than to stop your hand and have a skip. So if I'm playing this, look. And all of a sudden I leave in a stroke like this. Nobody's even going to notice that. They will notice if you go. That sounds like the record skipped or interruption in the beat. So you have 3 different strums, 3 different chord progressions. The last one, C, is just we rearranged the chords and we put an A minor in. So now I did this. I went G to C add 9. Tricky to go to A minor, and then D. Back to G, E minor 7, C add 9, D. Okay? The last thing is, as a preview for future stuff, I think you noticed when I was playing, I used these fingers. I use the pick, but I also use these fingers. Fool around with that. If you sit home and play, say, a C chord or a regular steel, like you know this one. See if you can play with your pick and your fingers. So like here, instead of going like this, look. I might go, look. And start using your fingers, because that's going to really sound cool. Even the same old chords are going to sound. Instead of all the notes at once, start thinking about playing with these 3 fingers plus the pick.